the Cemplon? It's late, Mom.
Wait a minute, dear. Please, buy me a bottle of gas. We ran out of it, you see.
Alright, Mom. Come on. It's been 5:40. I must beat my bike.
My car is here, you know?
I'm sorry. I'm in a hurry.
Just go away. Go.
Hey, Fally!
Hi, guys.
Is that your new car?
Yeah, that's my new car.
Wow, it's a masterpiece, you know.
Yeah, I know that.
Will you bring us to the new Grand Mall with that car?
Yeah, sure, why not?
This morning, I saw on the internet that the famous brand Versasa has 25% off. So, let's hurry up, girls.
Oh, yes, that's only 56 million rupiah. Cheap, huh?
Valley, I know that you're so wealthy, so let's have fun together.
Yeah, sure. Let's go to the mall and I'll pay for it.
We are so proud to be your best friend.
Yeah, sure. Cheers.
Wait a minute, sir. No, please.
Guys, that's the village boy.
Indeed, yeah. Close the gate, sir!
Close it! Close it! Close it!
Just close it! Just close it!
Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it! Close it!
Hey, Tim.
Hey,
After I graduate, what will you do then?
it seems impossible for me to continue my study if I can't get more money.
Because, my friend, I know. But why don't you rush to join the net to browse part-time job? I'm sure there are a lot of vacancies.
Wow, it sounds good idea. Okay, see you there at 7 p.m. this evening.
Okay,
Okay, see you.
see you.
Hi, I got a vacancy. Waiter in Dirty. Okay, now I must write an application letter. I will search an example and then edit it.
Hey Dim,
Hey,
have you got it?
sure, I just got an exciting post.
Really? Sounds great. If you get a trouble, this is my brother, Ando. Hopefully, he can help you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, I've almost finished writing my letter. Anto, will you read and check it?
Sure, let me check it. Well, you need to add the date here, and you also need to mention the post available for you.
Okay.
It will be better if you also mention the reason why you are interested in the post advertised.
Thanks a lot, Anto.
You're welcome.
Alhamdulillah. Oh my God. Thank you for blessing me. I'm successful. Now, I must inform my mother about it. She must be very happy to hear this news. Finish, ma'am?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, almost finished. Okay, yep. This is the last box.
Okay. Ma'am, I must go now, and maybe I will be a little late later.
Why?
Because I have an interview for getting a part-time job this afternoon.
Part-time job interview?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Be careful then. Just do your best and don't forget to Pendidikan, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Good luck.
Okay. Excuse me, may I come in?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, have a seat. Are you Dimas Prasetya?
Yes, sir. I'm student in Water Senior High School, 3rd grade. I'd like to be a part-timer here, if allowed.
Alright. Are you sure you can manage your time?
Inshallah, I could, sir. Moreover, the final exam was over, so it's free time while waiting for the result of the exam. And fortunately, I usually help my mom sell Cemplon, so I've been accustomed to working independently.
That's great. I've checked your resume and really need an energetic boy like you, having high motivation to work hard. Well, starting tomorrow afternoon, you may join us and have an observation as well as direct training.
It means, I'm accepted to be a part-timer here, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving me a chance to get nice working experience. What a pity.
Waalaikumsalam.
Pak? Ma'am? I'm accepted. I'm accepted becoming a part-time waiter at the chicken.
What? Are you kidding me?
No, I mean it.
Oh, thanks God. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. We should thanks to God, dear. I'm very proud of you. You know, only you yourself that can change your life. But of course, you have to manage your time. Promise?
I promise. And I always hope to get your prayer and support.
Of course. I always pray for you all the time.
Okay, thanks, ma'am. Where's the others? No one accompany you. It's so strange.
They're gone. No one carried me anymore. Only you do it. So, in fact, I always make you into trouble. And now, I ask you for apologize. Will you forgive me?
Yes, but why you look so sad?
It's a long story. Shortly, now, my father had got bankrupt. And he has nothing. And now, I learned many things from you. Will you help me?
Don't worry. As far as you are sure and willing to try and also work hard, I'm sure there will be another chance to be successful. Hey Val, come on, I'll give you a ride. Will you?
Yeah, sure, why not?